Okay, today is Thursday, January 18th. My name is Matthew Kirchner. I'm in the 2012 Hyundai Elantra. I have a strange ticking noise that I believe is coming from the engine, and I'm going to show you what that sounds like. I'm going to turn the car on now. So you can't really hear anything now. I hear personally a very faint ticking noise. I'll see if I can get that. I'm not sure if you can hear that or not. Maybe if I roll down the window a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to rev the engine. Give it a little bit of gas here. You don't really hear it when it gets up to 3,000 RPM. Let me see if I can get... I'm at 2,000. Go a little bit higher here. Nothing much. Now back down. I mostly hear it when I'm like in between 1,000 and 2,000, I think. But not much. Alright, so now I'm going to take this puppy on the road. Like I said, I generally hear the sound only when I'm accelerating. I hear a little bit when I'm idle now, but it's not too much. Pull out of here safely. I'm going about 20 miles an hour. Now 30, 35 miles an hour. Going 35 miles an hour right now. Going 40 miles an hour now. I can hear it. I'm hoping that it's being picked up on the phone. It's pretty faint. Not too loud today. Let me see. Now I'm coasting right now with my foot off the pedal and I don't hear it at all. My foot is lightly on the pedal. The more I push down on the gas pedal, the faster the sound becomes. I'm not sure if you can tell that. Not pushing down right now. Pushing down a little bit right now. Going about 40 miles per hour. And now I push down more. The sound gets faster. Not necessarily louder, but faster. Now I'm coming to a stop. We'll be able to see if we hear it at the stoplight here. I don't really hear it now. give this a minute. Alright, now I'm picking up speed again. Going 40 miles per hour. Darn it, I was hoping to go quicker on this road, but there seems to be some backup. Alright. Well, this was take one at noon. Hopefully you can hear the sound. It wasn't honestly very loud today. Sometimes I feel like it gets a little bit louder than other days. Sometimes when I turn on the car, it's a very loud ticking, but after a while of driving, it goes down a little bit. But for 99% of the time when I'm pushing down the accelerator, there is some sort of clicking noise. So I'll pause it here and tell me what you think.